Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with a recent Spellbinders haul video. Alrighty, let's get started. Let's start off with everything wax seal because these wax beads have gone in stock, out of stock, in stock. They come, they go. So I bought a few packs and really my focus, these three and this one too. Because when you mix white into these colors, it just becomes like uber magic. And I also got a wax seal stamp. This one, 1-inch solid circle. Love. I wasn't going to get it. Then I thought about it and I realized that you could sprinkle glitter in your wax seal while it's wet and do something. So I was curious about this one. That one comes and goes as well. Here I have the red wax beads. And these are not pearls. The ones with the pearly finish, these two. And everything else is a matte color. I have red, white, royal blue, pastel blue. Love. Then fuchsia and teal. Very popular, the teal. That blue and that red too. They mix nicely. And you get 100 beads in a pack. Next in my essentials, I got a bigger bottle of Barely Art glue. Now my Barely Art glue, which Spellbinders does carry, I get the 2-ounce bottle. This is the 4-ounce bottle, so I'm going to the bigger bottle. Isn't this pretty how the packaging comes for the Barely Art glue? Love! I already have a refill, so I didn't need a refill. Let me just see how... Wait a second, did I need to do that? After forgetting how I opened up my previous 2 packages of it, because I have another bottle of it too, here is the 4-ounce. So I got the 4-ounce compared to the 2-ounce. So if you do traveling and carry your crafting with you, I'd do the 2. I'm going to try this one. Both feel good. This one is lighter, of course, but this is not so bad. And it comes with the whole kit, so you can get your glue going on. Comes with the tips, the needle, topper there, the stopper, and this part that you put on. Love. So I got my 4-ounce bottle. That wasn't on sale though, but they have it in stock. So a lot of places will sell out of this Barely Art glue quickly. Next essential, another roll of yellow tape. Love my yellow tape. There's certain supplies that I like to add on from time to time. This is my favorite size, 5/8 of an inch wide. I do have some purple tape that I'm trying to finish. Original purple tape, but I'm just dying to finish it and I can't finish it yet. I just need to get rid of it and then have all my rolls of yellow tape. Love this for die cutting, used with the glimmer machine. Also, I store it on dies as well. Yeah. Another essential that I got. This one is a Deco Color rose gold pen. I did not have the rose gold pen. I wasn't going to get it. I have the silver, I have the gold. But then something said, you know what? Give that rose gold a try. Seeing that I'm now mixing and doing new colors. Next supply. Some more green gems. I tell you, I buy these gems. Every time I place an order, put in a few packs of gems because I just love their gems. I love the different sizes. I love the colors. I just can't get enough of them. My favorites, gold mix gems, opal, silver mix, most definitely. Coming up close, green. Oh, just can't get enough of the green. There's pink too and red, a whole bunch. I'll put a general link for the gems and then the green. The green is just fantastic. Like in this example right here. Ooh, love, 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 love. Next, thanks to a few viewers, you guys told me, so along with the Susan Tierney-Cockburn, and I've been using all my floral making supplies, but she has certain items that I don't have, and I was thinking about getting that whole ultimate toolkit. If you're interested in floral forming and you love her dies, I would recommend, if you're just starting out, get that ultimate kit. But because I have so much product and different brands of products, there was just a few things I did not have from her. So these have a fabulous price point, like $1.99, $2.99. Replacement leaf pads. I got 2 of them. Feels like almost like a matte board kind of, but it has more flex, like what you use in picture making. And she'll put the leaf here and then score down that middle. So I got 2 of them, used with the leaf tool from Susan's Ultimate Kit. So I guess when you mark on it and put pressure on it, it starts to bend, so you would get a replacement. So even if you have the Ultimate Kit, which this comes in it, you can still have a replacement at a great price point. Thank you, Spellbinders. Also, the molding mat. I did get a little We Are Memory Keepers that I was using, but I wanted the Susan molding mat. So it's like a sponge, but it's not the styrofoam thing I was using and all of that jazz. And this had such a good price point, and I love that it's small. So you can have your florals here, and you're just over here, one floral, move it. Da, 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 da. It doesn't need to be this big whole thing that I was using before, because I was getting ready to cut that one up. So I like this replacement molding mat. You use it to mold flowers. So this is really nice. So you'll be seeing that in the future. Now, with those supplies, I also placed an order during a recent sale. So let's talk about that. And there's a new sale right now. Clean out your craft room, or craft room clean out. I'll put the graphic here so you can see it. Loads of deals in there. So I will put a link below, and there are even some past kit clubs in there as well. So you may really want to take a look. I did order from that sale, so that one is coming. Susan's teapot die set. I showed you before that I had used Susan's bucket pail die set to put the florals in. After I played with this one, I was so curious about the rest, and then they went on a good sale, and now a lot of these half off again. So if you're interested in them, this might be the time. So I got Daffodil Narcissus Antique Vase, or vase, 3 5/8 of an inch tall by 3 inches. And the good thing about this, it comes with florals. Isn't that nice? So it's not just you're paying just for this, you're also getting a whole floral die set. And you can go to Spellbinders and also Susan's YouTube channel to see an example of how to put this together. But isn't that pretty with the daffodil? So I got that one. And then the gathering basket. This is the basket only, but you could tuck anything into these baskets. You could just use the standard florals too, Bebo blooms, club blooms, etc. 4 inches, 2 3/4. Love. And there's that nice little opening for tucking leaves and everything. And here, this one is gladiolus and berry picking basket. Love this one as well. And look at this interactive card with the tags tuck in at that angle. This is like almost like a mini album. And then the flowers here. And again, this one you get florals as well. Nice leaf. That's where you would use the leaf pad. And then to make the florals, you use the molding mat. And then you can get the stylus. The stylus with the attachments for the flower molding. That's in that ultimate toolkit. But look at this. This is almost 5 inches. So 4 3/4 of an inch tall by 3 1/4. Still can work on an A2 card. So pretty, but can also go on bigger, like 5 by 7 for sure, with a beautiful embossing folder in the background. That would be nice. And then look at all these embossed texture detail that you can get. Love even there. And then lastly, I got the cactus, dahlia, and ornamental garden pottery. Again, florals included. Look at that. And then here you get that detail embossed. That's very pretty. This is almost like a planter, like what you see at your house. 4 1/2, 3 inches. So pretty. Nice leaves too. And you can mix and match your leaves with your florals. So this is a great little deal, and I took advantage of it. Yay. All right, moving on from Susan. I also got this. This was part of the card kit of the month. And even though I get kit club items, I don't get the card kit, the quick card kit. But I loved this cup with the bunny, with the little fan. I think this is adorable, or a flower that looks like a fan. And he's like cooling off. I just think this is so cute. Spring tea, 11 dies. So there's a little cup, and there's a handle, there's a bunny's head, and then now all these cute florals. Oh yeah, so we get even more florals than what's shown here. I like that. And then that wonderful stem that you can put anything on. Any florals that you have, you can top it with. That cup is roughly 1 7/8 of an inch by 1 1/8. So it's going to be, in this size range for that project. Isn't that cute? Just in time for Easter and spring. And this is a drop-in. I thought it was going to say happy spring, but you can either use it or not use it. So that's cute too. Look at that bunny's face. The little bunny. Love. I have had this one in my wish list for a long time. Just was waiting for the right sale. And it came. So this one is a geometric flower background. So I have to definitely use this one. This one is 4 1/2, 5 3/4 of an inch. So pretty. This is the same pattern that is on the wax kit box. I've been waiting for that. So I was like really waiting to get this one. I just wanted the right price. And then it came down to the right price from the sealed set, okay? All right, moving on. Next, I made a card recently with this, and it was a Susan card as well. Here it is. And there are 3 dies in the set. This one, I'm going to put the name here on the screen so you can see it. I will also link it below. I just can't remember what it is. And I was interested in another one from the set. I didn't get all 3. Notice I'm just like spreading out. This one was on sale. This one was also really good price point. Half slimline diamond. So now you get the diamond. This one is like an oval. And the words that you get is plant joy. And I love the scroll work. And that is the uber pretty cherry blossom die set too on the example. So here it is. It does make a slimline card, 8.5. So coming out, because this is the same thing as this, you can either choose to use it solid without the drop-in. Same thing with this one as well. And the finished product, because they're all the same sizing, 3.5 by 8.5. So this is a standard slimline card. And then look at the florals. Isn't that pretty? And then see, now I can use my leaf pad to do this instead of the other way I was doing it before, which was just, yeah. So this one I like, half slimline diamond. Love. Still love a good slimline card. Next, this has been on my wish list for a while. It goes on sale, then sometimes it doesn't go on sale, but I've really been wanting this one, and it finally moved to where I was like, okay, add it to the cart, go ahead with it. Elliptical ovals. Love. There is an example of it. This is layered actually. Blue on top and then a little peak of gold, like a little shift, and you can see the gold. Cute, right? I love the scallop detail, and it's like oval scallops, and you get here 6 dies, and it is 4.5 by 3 3/8 of an inch. Pretty elliptical ovals. And lastly, I have like pretty much all of Spellbinders embossing folders, 2D and 3D. This was one of them that I just did not get, and I keep seeing examples of it, and I was like, okay, it's time. It's time. It's so pretty. Tile mosaic. Love. Oversized embossing folder. You would use the universal plate system with this. 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. So nice. That's the detail right there. And this one, I believe, once I play with it, see how here you can see it looking different than that? You can probably use the front and the back. I'll let you know once I play with it, but I've had this one in my wish list for a while, and I decided to go for it. Alrighty, crafters. So I just wanted to show you some things that I had hauled, and also to let you know that a lot of the wax beads are back in stock. So for those of you that treated yourself to the wax seal kit, which is runaway winner, it just, yeah. Even if you saw all the examples, and there's videos out there of how to use it, and it's so easy, so relaxing and fun. A lot of the beads sold out, like what I'm doing here. A lot of people like, oh, I want to get this color. And these are nice quality beads. I like to keep everything within that same family. Meaning I like the seals that they have, and I love the detail on the seal stamps. And I also love the quality of the beads. I'm happy right here. And I think everything has a great price point. And for the viewers that told me about this, thank you so much. I will be using it shortly. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Bye.